This 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE 31FF is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 32 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk beds. This 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE 31FF is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.